What if you could optimize your body and mind to perform at their absolute best? Imagine living longer, feeling sharper, and being healthier, all by hacking your biology. Welcome to the world of biohacking and precision wellness. Today we'll explore cutting-edge techniques and tools that are transforming health and wellness in 2024. Biohacking is no longer just a buzzword. It's a lifestyle revolution. From wearable tech to personalized nutrition and cognitive enhancers, biohacking is empowering people to take control of their health like never before. But what exactly is biohacking? And how can you use it to improve your life? Stick around, we're diving deep. Biohacking is the practice of using science, technology, and self-experimentation to optimize your physical and mental performance. Think of it as do-it-yourself biology. It includes everything from intermittent fasting and cold plunges to advanced wearables that track your sleep, heart rate, and even glucose levels in real time. According to Set4Set, Google searches for biohacking have increased by over 900% in the last 3 months alone, proving its growing popularity among millennials and Gen Z. So why is biohacking exploding in popularity? The answer lies in 2 key trends: personalized wellness and technological advancements. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all health advice. With tools like genetic testing and microbiome analysis, you can now tailor your diet, exercise, and supplements to your unique biology. For example, AI-powered apps can create fitness plans based on your DNA or gut health data. Wearables like smartwatches, continuous glucose monitors, and sleep trackers are making it easier than ever to monitor your body in real time. This data empowers you to make informed decisions about your lifestyle for optimal health. Intermittent fasting is one of the simplest ways to biohack your metabolism. By restricting eating windows, you can improve insulin sensitivity, boost fat loss, and enhance cellular repair through autophagy. The vagus nerve is like the information superhighway between your brain and body. Stimulating it, either manually or with devices, can reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and even enhance mental clarity. Wearables are at the forefront of biohacking. Devices like the Oura ring or Whoop band provide detailed insights into sleep quality, recovery rates, and stress levels, helping you optimize every aspect of your day. Cold plunges or cryotherapy are excellent for reducing inflammation, boosting circulation, and even improving mental resilience. Plus, they're trending as one of the most popular wellness practices this year. Nootropics, or smart drugs, are substances that enhance cognitive functions like focus, memory, and creativity. Popular options include adaptogens like ashwagandha or advanced formulas targeting brain health. While biohacking offers incredible benefits, it's important to approach it responsibly. Genetic testing raises privacy concerns about how your data is stored and used, and some techniques, like neurostimulation, should only be done under professional supervision. Start small. Track 1 metric at a time. Consult a doctor before trying advanced techniques like nootropics or genetic modifications. Prioritize ethical products from trusted brands. Biohacking isn't just a trend, it's a movement towards smarter living through science and technology. Whether you're looking to boost energy, sharpen focus, or live longer, there's a biohack for everyone. Which biohacks are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your health with cutting-edge science. Check out my other videos for more on wearable tech and personalized wellness.